In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add tags in Notion using the multi-select property. Start by opening Notion in your browser and going to the database where you want to add tags. This can be a table, board, list, or another database view. The important thing is that you're inside a database because tags are added as a property. Once your database is open, look near the top of the database for Add Property and click it. A property in Notion is simply a field that stores information for each item in your database, like status, date, or tags. A menu will open with different property types. From here, choose Multi-Select. This is the best option for tags because it lets you assign more than one tag to the same item. For example, a page could be tagged both important and work at the same time. After you select Multi-Select, Notion will create the new property. You may see it appear with the default name Multi-Select. Click that name and rename it to Tags. Giving it a clear name makes your database easier to understand, especially if you add more properties later. Now that the Tags property has been created, click into one of the cells under that new Tags column. This is where you'll start creating your first tag. When the tag menu opens, type the name you want to use for your tag. For example, you might enter something like Highlight, Urgent, Personal, or Project A, depending on how you organize your work. As you type, Notion will give you the option to create that tag. Click it to add the tag. You should now see the tag appear inside the cell, usually with a color. That color helps you quickly recognize tags visually, although the name of the tag is what matters most. If you want to add another tag to the same item, click in the same tags field again and type a second tag name. Because this is a multi-select property, Notion allows multiple tags in one field. That's the main difference between select and multi-select, so make sure you choose multi-select if you want to use more than one tag per entry. You can also reuse tags you've already created. Once a tag exists, just click the tags field on another row and select that tag from the list instead of typing it again. This keeps your tagging system consistent and avoids creating duplicates with slightly different names. One common beginner mistake is accidentally creating similar tags with different spelling or capitalization, like work and work. Notion may treat those as separate tags, so it's a good idea to keep your tag names consistent from the beginning. If you want, you can continue adding more tags the same way by clicking a tags field, typing a new name, and selecting the Create option. As you build out your tag list, you'll be able to organize and filter your database much more easily. And that's how you add tags in Notion. Thanks for watching.